Let's take a look at finding the sum of data values, sum of x's, in Excel. And this can be used in other formulas within statistics. I'm going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're going to add up all even numbers from 2 to 10. So I come down to cell here and I type equals sum, begin in parentheses, A1 colon A5. Has to be exactly like you see, has to be an equals, has to be a sum, has to have beginning parentheses and closing parentheses. You do your first cell, which is 2, which is the intersection of column A and row 1, which is A1, colon, your last cell, which is 10, which is the intersection of column A, row 5, A5. Again, that A1 colon A5 will include all the cells from A1 to A5, including those, so everything in between. And then you press enter. Another way to do that is you can click the auto sum up here, and then that'll guess what the range should be, and it says A1 to A6, and if I remember right, blank cells in Excel are fine, but if I wanted to change it, I click with my left mouse button and hold down in A1 and drag down to A5, and you see it says A1 colon A5. And if you press enter, that'll give you your sum. So that's your sum of your x values.